Story time! This is about the time we rescued baby birds. It was a very windy day and they fell off their nest. Oh, poor baby bird. I bet you were scared. Kuya Mikey showed the baby birds to their parents so the parents will notice that. But still, the parents don't notice. The baby birds kept crying and tweeting. So we decided to feed them.
Oh,
She's
So this is me feeding them every 15 minutes. We really tried our best to save the baby birds. But still, they passed away. This is me crying and trying to think if why it died. There's a poop behind it, or it hates the smell inside of their nest.
so what are we gonna do with the other one?
I'm gonna take care of it all day. It is the sad day, and it's only one bird left. I need to be careful not to make it die. This is the time that Atadat and I decided to bury it in Mamitar's spot.
Miss you so much.
But first we wrote a letter for Hearty of how we love her and we will miss her. This is a message for you. Yeah.
Okay. You put it here. Like, that's so that the camera can see. Okay, it's time to, baby?
Bye. Goodbye, my sweet bird.
Okay.
That's right.
We'll miss you.
I miss you, my bird. Like this.
Okay, yeah.
Actually, it's facing down. Oh,
Oh, that's
okay. I love you.
see you.
And rest, girl.
Rest now.
Rest, little girl. Be happy
Yeah.
to the world.
Yeah. Okay.
If you're wondering where's the other one, it's eaten by a cat. Rest in peace, Hearty and Lovey.